welcome to It's Rafiq. In today's video I am going to explain you about hyperlinks in HTML. The most important features of HTML is hyperlinks, which means linking between different web pages. We can connect different web pages with the help of links, and to create the links we use anchor tag. The anchor tag is defined as inside angular bracket A. The main attribute of anchor tag are href. This is used to specify the link of the file or page which we want to link. For example, href. Suppose I want to redirect the user or navigate the user to page 2.html bracket close. Here the name of the link which I want to display on the page. Suppose click here to go page 2, then a close. The next attribute is name. This attribute is used to name the portion of a same document to another document. Suppose my document is too lengthy. I want to link a different section of my page through a link. Then the name attribute is used. For example, a name equal chapter 1 close. Then you can write the chapter name or something, a close. Remember, anchor tag is an container tag. The third attribute is title. This attribute gives additional information that pop-ups when the mouse over it. Suppose I have this link only, the first one. So if I write just after href title equal click here. So when the user will hand over his mouse pointer through the link, the user can see this message, click here. And the last one is target. Target means the last one attribute is target. This attribute is used to specify where the linked document will be open, whether it will open in same document or in different window, different tabs. So this is defined by the target attribute. So let's have a practical example of these attributes. Suppose we have a simple page. First line is doc type. Doc type. Exclamatory sign is needed at before. Then HTML. Second line HTML. Third line head. Then title. Write title as linking. Title close. Head close. Then body start. Suppose I want background color is yellow, so bg color equal yellow. Body bracket close. Here we'll write the actual content. Suppose I want to write just my page name is linking or hyperlinks, so we can write center tag. It will display whatever I will write in center position. H1, it will define the largest heading. Hyperlinks. H1 close, center close, then go to next line. Here I want to make a link. So href. I want to redirect to page 2. So page 2.html title equal, click here, bracket close. Here the text which I want to display on the page, like click to go to page 2. Now a close. We can close body also here, as we have finished everything. HTML close. Now go to file, save the document, go to the position where you have saved your page. As I have saved in desktop, so it's here. Open the page. So that output will be like this, hyperlink in black color and the link which I have created in blue color. And when I hand over, you will see one small pop-up window. It's written click here because I have written that word in title. So this is the use of link in HTML. Now let's click on the link and see what's its display. File not found, because I have not created page 2 yet. That's why it's displaying file not found. Let's create the page 2 also. Suppose this one only. I will write here page 1 and here go to page 1. Hyperlinks here 2. Go to file, save as. This page name is page 2 .html. Save the page. Now as I have created page 2, if I click on here, it will open the next page, hyperlinks 2. And if I click here, go to page 1, it will go to previous page. This way we can create link in HTML. Here I have create a link between page 1 and page 2. Now different type of links in HTML. In HTML we'll get mainly these links: external link, internal link, external link, and the last one is global link. This external link is also called as local, so better to write local. So in HTML you will get these three type of links: internal link, local link and global link. The internal link, it's connect the pages within, or it's a create link within same page. And local link, it's create link within same folder or same website. And global links create link outside of the folder or website. Now let's have an one example for each. For internal link, we'll create the link like this way: a href. Here we'll mention the section name. The section name always start with hash symbol. Suppose I will redirect to chapter 1, ch1, bracket close. Then can right click to go chapter 1, then a close. This is example of internal link. For local link, which I have created already, it will be like that: a href page 2 .html, bracket close, page 2, a close. So this way we can create a local link. Now let's have an example of global link. It will be a href. Inside href we have to write the complete address. The web address started from http 2/www.google.com. So I want to redirect my user or the viewer to Google. So here I can write Google and a close. So these three are example of internal, local and global link. In internal link you will have to use the hash symbol. In local link you will write just the page name, and in global link the complete web address, the complete address or URL of the page. Now how to change the color of the link? As we have already created a link here before, let's move to page 1. Here we have already created a link, and in output it displayed in blue color. Suppose I want to change the link color. So how can we do that? For that we'll write link equal, by default the link is blue. Suppose I want to change in red, we can write red or purple, anything you can give, suppose pink. Then vlink means visited link. That means the link which you have already visited. Vlink equal green. Then we have a link. A link means active link. The link when you place the mouse on the time when you place your mouse on the link, that time it is called as a link or active link. A link equal the color name whatever you want to give, suppose red. So now save the page, go to the location where you have saved your page. So here you have seen that click to go to page 1 is displayed in green color, because I have written here vlink equal green, because I have already visited that page in my Mozilla browser. That's why it is displaying as green. Let's open it in Google Chrome and see how it display. For that you can do right click, open with, then the browser you can select which one you want. Wait a while till the browser load. Sometimes it may take time to load a page, so you have to wait for that. Here you can see the link is displayed in pink color as the background is yellow, so you can't see it properly. Let's change the background. We'll put the background now as blue. Save the page. Now let's see. Still it's not good. Purple. Save. Now click here. So in this page the link color is blue, but if I go back, here it is green because I have already visited, and at the time when I click the link it changes to red. As this page is my local page, that's why it's reloaded to next page. Just in 1 seconds, but if you click a link which is located at some other place, it may take few more minutes or few more seconds, then you can see the color. So this way you can change the color in HTML, link color in HTML document. Suppose now in question you have asked to set the link color as yellow and visited link color as red and a link color as blue. Then what you will do, just here in body, inside body, you will write link equal yellow, v link equal suppose red, and a link equal blue. For that question you will write if you have to write for theory exam, you will write only this line, body line. If you have to write for practical, then you have to write complete page. Now save the page and see whether the color changed or not. So here you can see visited link color changes to red, as we have written here v link equal red, link equal yellow, a link equal blue, and when I'll click the link, that time it will change to blue. See. So for today's video, this much only. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.